Number 1, which dot plot represents the data? Circle the one that is correct. Number 2, each number shown has one digit circled and one digit underlined. In which numbers is the value of the circled digit 10 times the value of the underlined digit? Select 3 correct answers. So circle 3 of those. Number 3, Kiara has 15 cents in a jar. She adds the coins shown to the jar. How much money is in Kiara's jar now? Just check one of those. Number 4, Zena made hair bows and put them in boxes to sell. She made each hair bow with 7 ribbons. She used a total of 483 ribbons. She filled each box with 3 hair bows. Xenia filled as many boxes as she could and had no hair bows left over. How many boxes of hair bows did Xenia fill? Number 5, which is an equivalent decimal form of 29/10. Number 6, complete the table to match the figure with the correct term. Move the correct answer to each box in the table. Not all answers will be used. You can draw the picture where it says ray, draw a ray. Where it says line, draw a line. Duncan and Priscilla buy 68 apples. They use 46 apples to make pies for a bake sale. They split the remaining apples evenly between the two of them. Which strip diagram represents the number of apples A that Duncan and Priscilla each have? Which fraction completes the comparison shown so that the number sentence is true? 6/8 is less than. Number 9. The perimeter of a square is 40 centimeters. What is the area of the square in square centimeters? Number 10. The rule -4 is used to show the relationship between the position of a number in a pattern and the value of that number. Which table shows this relationship? Number 11. How is this number 4002.7 written in expanded notation? Just put the correct number in the boxes. Number 12, what's the product of 476,500 and 100? Number 13, which angle appears to have a measure of 95 degrees? Number 14, the number of each type of shirt that Dawn owns is shown. What fraction of the shirts are either solid or striped? Just put your answer out to the side or somewhere in that box. Number 15, the stem and leaf plot shows the scores from a skateboarding event. What's the difference between the highest and lowest scores from the skateboarding event? The amount of money, this is number 16. The amount of money Amar has left after buying a snack is shown. He used a $50 bill to buy the snack. How much money did Amar spend on the snack in dollars and cents? Write it in the box. 17. Point F is shown on the number line. Which two fractions can point F represent? Number 18. Clayton uses a protractor to construct an angle that measures 85 degrees. He first draws ray PQ as shown. How should Clayton complete the angle? Complete the sentence by selecting the correct answers from the drop-down menus. To complete the 85-degree angle, Clayton should draw another ray that starts at point something and passes through point something. Just fill in the boxes with the correct letter. 19. Colleen buys a roll of craft paper for $7.99 and some glue for $3.69. She saves 75 cents by using a coupon. What is the total cost after she applies the coupon? Number 20. A list of numbers is shown. right, or which comparison is true? Number 21, Addison buys a chair for $15. She buys paint for $9 and repaints the chair. She then sells the chair for $42. What is Addison's profit in dollars? Number 22, the table shows the widths in feet of 4 tablecloths of different colors. Which comparison is true? Number 23, Carolyn and David each own a flower shop. Carolyn has 156 red tulips and 142 yellow tulips in her shop. Carolyn has 39 more tulips in her shop than David has in his shop. Create an equation that can be used to find the number of tulips T David has in his shop. Choose the correct answer from each drop-down menu to complete the equation. Well, just fill in the rectangles. 24. A floor is made up of 2 rectangles as shown. What's the area of the floor in square feet? Number 26, Nancy's mom drove 106 and 3/500 miles to get to her friend's house. How is this number of miles she drove written in expanded notation? Number 27, Calvin drives 1,924 miles over 4 days. He drives the same number of miles each day. How many miles does Calvin drive each day? Number 28, a group of figures shown. Which figures appear to have at least one pair of perpendicular sides? Select 2 correct answers. Number 29, which equation shows a decimal and fraction that are equivalent? Number 30, the list shows the number of peaches that were in each of 14 baskets. Which representations show the same data as the list? Select 2 correct answers. Number 31, Patricia draws a triangle. She measures its angles and records the results in the table shown. What type of triangle does Patricia draw? Number 32, the rule +7 can be used to find the output number for a given input number. Which table correctly represents this rule?